Bali is the place on earth closest to my heart. As soon as my feet touch the ground here, I feel I've arrived home. Inside the womb of Mother Earth, I think I found it. Bali is the place on earth closest to my heart. As soon as my feet touch the ground here, I feel I've arrived home. There's just something about this island that makes me keep coming back again and again, staying longer and longer each time. A place that I call home in Bali is the village of Ubud. Ubud's name comes from Ubud, which means medicine or healing, due to the many medicinal plants found along the sacred Champuhan River. That must be why this place heals my soul and renews my spirit. If I need another form of therapy, retail therapy that is, I visit the nearby traditional market in Ubud. While I'm there, I enjoy strolling and admiring traditional art and Balinese architecture, such as this one at the Palace of Ubud. In Bali, water is the main source of purification and healing. 70% of the earth is water, and 70% of our body is made of water. Water is the most important element. Water has the ability to cleanse us, purify our souls, and restore us back to balance. Long time ago, it is said that to be able to activate the powerful energy of this island, Bali's founding father, Ursi Markandeya, had to meditate at this location to balance the masculine and feminine energies symbolized by the convergence of the two rivers. This is the sacred Champuhan River, where locals pray and meditate, perform ritual ceremonies, and take purification baths. Just near my favorite Kayon resort is a holy spring temple called Pura Telaga Waja. Bali is known as the water purification center of the world due to the many holy springs found in this island.
Pak Wayan,
Yes,
can you please ask Jeromangku what's the meaning of melukat?
of course. Swastiastu janganku. Napin ke sekseman melukat ring pura telaga wajah niki.
Di dalam prasasti bulian, itu naskah-naskah tua itu, apabila kita sering melukat atau mandi di petirtaan Pura Telaga Wajah yang sudah berumur 1000 tahun, berguna untuk membersihkan badan dan mendapat kesejahteraan.
Simply being here, walking, eating, sleeping, relaxing, listening to the sound of nature, to the sound of rain, soothes, heals, and renews my soul in the best and simplest way. I don't need anything else, just me and Mother Nature. I had a wish to find a place of peace and joy for my mind, body, and soul. I had a vision to go to a place where I can go back home inside the womb of Mother Earth. I think